Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I'm Monica, and as you all know, some of your most loved chefs are here to give you a new recipe for every school day. Today we are making Coconut Jam Loaf. It's a perfect end of the week treat for your child. So come, let's see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. It's a very simple one bowl cake. So come, let's start. Some whole wheat flour, desiccated coconut powder, some sugar, a bit of baking powder, oil, coconut milk, and I'll just mix it well. Once your batter is well mixed, pour it in a greased pan. Now the best part of the cake. We'll add a swirl of the Kissan Strawberry Blast. Kissan Strawberry Blast adds a burst of real strawberry flavor to the cake. A little bit of water. I'm just beating it nicely so that it's easier to swirl. Take a skewer and just swirl it around. My oven is preheated to 180 degrees centigrade, and I'm going to bake the cake till the skewer comes out clean. The cake is ready and it's been cooling for a while. Time to slice it now. So come, let's pack our tiffin box. Some dried figs and sandwiches. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network. I'll be back soon to show you कैसे बनाएं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.